Are you feeling bloated, sensitive to foods, or inflamed even when you're trying to eat healthy? Hi, I'm Dr. Heather Rice from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. These may be signs of a leaky gut, a condition when the lining of your intestines becomes damaged and starts letting the wrong things through. Early signs include bloating, gas, cramps, frequent food sensitivities, or IBS-like symptoms. As it progresses, you may see hormonal changes, thyroid struggles, or skin issues like acne and rashes. Stress, medications, antibiotics, poor diet, toxins, and low vagal tone can all weaken the gut lining. When this happens, your immune system becomes overwhelmed and inflammation skyrockets. The good news is the gut can heal. When we support digestion, reduce triggers, and restore healthy nervous system function. Here's your action step. Remove one inflammatory trigger, like processed sugar, for 7 days and notice how your gut digestion responds.